Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1994 1500 four-wheel drive show truck. These are pretty cool. It's got the 5.7 350 under the hood. This one here is around 50,000 miles original. Very nice, very clean, as you can see up under the hood. Go ahead and shut it down. What we're going to be doing is doing a little test drive, taking it down the road, see how it runs and drives, checking everything out, making sure everything works. Got the tow package, dual exhaust. Everything's nice and clean. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and close to 100 detailed pictures of all of our inventory. All right. About to hit the road on a test drive. Let's go. Got an aftermarket radio here. All your gauges are popping up. Console, this is so old school. Nice and clean. Showing 52,000 miles on the dash. Got your tilt column, windshield wipers, horn. Of course, you know that works on this one. Everything's just really nice in here. The power locks, power windows. The tint's a little bit messed up on this side. Tell it's been done a long time. I mean, it is a 94 model, so the tint does fade after a while. This one's blue over here, but it's not all crinkled up. Let's take off down the road. All right, guys, we're taking off down the road. We're going to see how she runs and drives. Anything that I see that may be wrong, I will let you know. Rancho, I think it's like the air ride. It's coming up on the gauge there. This one's not. I don't think it's holding pressure anymore. It may have a little bit of leak. I can hear it trying to air up down there. All right, let's take off. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Truck feels pretty smooth going down the road. Going in a straight line. Steering's pretty tight. I mean, feels like it should. Kick down's hooked up. All our gauges are up. Our oil pressure, water temp. The tires on the truck make it a little bit bumpy. They are an aggressive tread. Brakes feel good on this one as well. Signals are popping up on the dash. Something behind my seat here. Oh, it feels like an amplifier. They need to bolt that up. That's what that banging noise is right there. Y'all keep hearing. I was like, what is that? An amplifier. Must have some speakers behind the seats. All right, we're gonna do some drive-bys in the parking lot and and get an outside perspective. Okay, got y'all set back up in the dash here. We're gonna take off, head on back to the car lot. Seems to be a good little truck here. There's a few little issues, but try to point them all out in the walk around video as well. So definitely check out the walk around video. Road with a speed bump in it. Listen for rattles and stuff. It's nice and smooth in here, so probably won't notice anything. Coming over the bump right here. Sound like a little bit of a chain rattling underneath. I'm not 100% sure what that is, but you can hear it when I hit that bump back there. We've made it back. I appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. All right, guys, if you have any other questions, visit our website, maplemotors.com. We'll try to help you out the best we can. We got financing available as well as shipping. You can see all of our inventory. We update that every Monday. Try to help y'all out with that. I do appreciate y'all watching. Definitely check out the walk around video of this truck if you're interested. Y'all have a good one.